Welcome to all in this class. So today's topic is formation of difference equation. So this is the second lecture on the formation of difference equation. So question is form by n equal to a 2 power n plus b minus 2 power n. Derive a difference equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant. So how to solve this question? Solution: given that yn equal to a 2 power n plus b minus 2 power n. I call it, this is equation number 1. So on replacing in equation 1 n by n plus 1 and we get this relation by n plus 1 equal to a 2 power n plus 1 plus b minus 2 power n plus 1. On simplifying, we know that 2 power n plus 1 can be written as 2 into 2 power n, and minus 2 power n plus 1 can be written as minus 2 into minus 2 power n. So by using these facts, we can write by n plus 1 equal to 2 into a into 2 power n plus minus 2 into b into minus 2 power n. Suppose that this is equation number. Again, by replacing n by n plus 2 in equation 1, so we can write this relation by n plus 2 equal to a 2 power n plus 2 plus b minus 2 power n plus 2. So on simplifying, we get by n plus 2 equal to 4 into a into 2 power n plus b into 4 into minus 2 power n. I call it, this is equation number 3. On eliminating a and b from equation 1, 2 and 3, we have by n 1 1 by n plus 1 2 minus 2 by n plus 2 4 4 equal to 0. On expanding this determinant, we can write by n in the bracket 8 plus 8 minus 1 in the bracket 4 by n plus 2 by n plus 2 plus 1 in the bracket 4 by n plus 1 minus 2 by n plus 2 equal to 0. On simplifying, we get 16 by n minus 4 by n plus 1 minus 2 by n plus 2 plus 4 by n plus 1 minus 2 by n 2. Cancelling the common term 4 by n plus 1, and finally we get minus 4 by n plus 2 plus 16 by n equal to 0. Or on simplifying, we get by n plus 2 minus 4 by n equal to 0 is the final answer. So next question is format the difference equation of this relation by n equal to a plus b into n. So solution: given that by n equal to a plus b into n, suppose that this is equation number 1. Replace n by n plus 1 in this relation, and we get by n plus 1 equal to a plus b, and n is converted into n plus 1, so we can write n plus 1. Or by n plus 1 equal to a plus n plus 1 into b. Suppose that this is equation number 2. And again, by replacing n is n plus 2, so we have by n plus 2 equal to a plus n plus 2 into b. Suppose this is equation number 3. So on eliminating ab, arbitrary constant ab from equation 1, 2 and 3 by using the determinant method, so we have determinant by n 1 n by n plus 1 1 n plus 1 by n plus 2 1 n plus 2 equal to 0. On expanding this determinant, we have by n in the bracket n plus 2 minus n in by n in the bracket n plus 2 in minus n plus 1 into, there is some correction, minus 1 n plus 2 into by n plus 1 minus n plus 1 by n plus 2 plus n by n plus 1 minus n by n plus 2 equal to 0. On simplifying, we get final equation is this: by n plus 2 minus 2 by n plus 1 plus by n equal to 0. So next question is, format the difference equation of this relation by n equal to a plus b into n into 1 upon 2 power n. So solution, given that by n equal to a plus b into 1 upon 2 power n. So we can write this relation as by n equal to a into 1 upon 2 power n plus n into 1 upon 2 power n into b. I call it, this is equation number 1, and replace n by n plus 1. So we have by n plus 1 equal to a 1 upon 2 power n plus 1 plus n plus 1 into 1 upon 2 power n plus 1 into b. On simplifying, we can write this equation by n plus 1 equal to 1 upon 2 into a into 1 upon 2 power n plus n plus 1 by 2 into, in the bracket, b into 1 by 2 power n, equation number 2. And again replace n by n plus 2. So we have by n plus 2 equal to a 1 upon 2 power n plus 2 plus n plus 2 into 1 upon 2 power n plus 2 into 3. On simplifying, we get by n plus 2 equal to 1 upon 4 into, in the bracket, a 1 upon 2 power n plus n plus 2 upon 4 in the bracket, b into 1 upon 2 power n. Suppose equation number 3. On eliminating arbitrary constant from equation 1 to 3, so by using the determinant method, so we have the determinant by 1, 1, and by n plus 1, 1 by 2, n plus 1 upon by n plus 2, 1 upon 4, n plus 2 upon n plus 2 upon 4 equal to 0. On expanding this determinant, we have by n into n plus 2 upon 8 minus n plus 1 upon 8 minus n plus 2 upon 4 by n plus 1 minus n plus 1 upon 2 by n plus 2 plus n into by n plus 1 upon 4 minus by n plus 2 upon 2 equal to 0. On simplifying, we get by n upon 8 plus n upon 4 minus n minus 1 upon n minus 2 upon 4 into by n plus 1 plus n plus 1 upon 2 minus n by n plus 2 equal to 0. And again, further simplifying, we get the difference equation 4 by n plus 2 minus 4 by n plus 1 plus by n equal to 0.